Hello, what's up guys, it's your boy Victory and I'm back again with another wonderful and beautiful video. So right in this video, I want to be showing you how Aba looks whenever it rains in Aba. So today it rained in Aba, so I'll be driving around Aba to show you how Aba looks whenever it rains in Aba, Abia State. So stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, like and comment, and enjoy the rest of this video. I love you guys. So guys, this road I'm filming currently is called Abowere Road, and I think there are some improvements in this road. Like they have painted the road demarcations. As you can see, it's colored yellow and black. I hope you are seeing it. This road right now is called Abowere Road. In Aba, a lot of drivers don't have patience. As you can see what happened, and some of these things causes accidents on the road steady. That's why you hear so many cases of accidents in Aba. That is due to lack of patience. Some of them are not enlightened about driving. They just pick up the car and drive. So I hope you are seeing how Aba looks whenever it rains in Aba. Some people might be thinking that when it rains in Aba, that Aba will be filled up with water, or everywhere will be filled up with water, but I'm happy that it's not like that anymore in Aba. Aba is really improving in so many aspects. Like I've said before, Aba is really improving both in the roads, in infrastructures, and so on. So we pray and hope that the government will do better and do more good jobs in Aba area state. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, I beg you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your bell notification so that you will always be updated whenever I upload a new video. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe to my channel. This above the road you are seeing right now is a very busy road. As you can see, there are so many rush hours in this road. This is evening, and I think so many people are coming back from their workplaces. So at this moment, this road is very busy, and at the front there is a traffic light that controls the car coming from different places around this above the road. So I think that's why there is a bad traffic. Currently in Aba is filled up with tricycles. We have more tricycles in Aba right now than vehicles, buses, and motorbikes. Tricycles are filled up in every part of Aba, and they are popularly called keke na pepe. Yeah, it's mostly called keke na pepe in Aba. So guys, this junction is called Brass Junction, and this is the junction where the traffic light is. There is also a traffic light at Pata Junction, but currently this is Brass Junction. I hope you can see how the cars are stopping and waiting for the traffic light to show the green sign, which means go. By my left hand side is Abia State Polytechnic. This is where Abia State Polytechnic is located at. There was a heavy rain in Aba the day I made this video. Immediately it stopped raining, I hopped into a tricycle to move around Aba, to film Aba, to show you how it looks in Aba whenever it rains. Some people might be thinking that every part of Aba will be filled up with water whenever it rains so big in Aba, but as you can see, the roads are very dry. You wouldn't even know that it rained in Aba. So I hope you are seeing how Aba is really improving. If it was before, whenever it rains in Aba, everywhere will be filled up with water because of the potholes in Aba and every other thing. But currently, Aba is so amazing. Not every part of Aba, but right now, some part of Aba is cool. Yeah, it's cool. So keep watching this video and enjoy the rest of this video. Don't forget to give this video a like and comment and tell me what you think about this video. I hope you can see how busy this road is. Both the left and right side of the road, they are all busy. Aba is one of the most populated cities in the whole Southeast. Aba is so populated, and a lot of people bring down their business in Aba. In Aba, we have the international market and so many other markets where people come and make a living, where people come and sell their products and make a living. Aba is really a business center. That's why you see so many people coming down to Aba to do their business. So guys, I decided to stop here to also film other places around Aba, like the Azikiwe road, the first road, the Okigwe road. So that's why I decided to stop here to also go to so many other places, not just Aba road, to show you how other places look. So let's continue watching and enjoy this video, guys. So guys, I hope you are seeing this road. This is no longer Aba road. This is called Azikiwe road. It's a very popular road in Aba, Abia State. I don't know if you've heard about Azikiwe road before, but if you haven't, this is Azikiwe road in Aba, Abia State. So I hope you are seeing how it looks when it's rained in Aba. I hope you are enjoying this video. I want you to keep on watching this video because I'm also going to show you other places in Aba. This is Azikiwe road currently. So guys, right now we are currently in Okigwe Road, so I'm going to drive through Okigwe Road to show you how Okigwe Road looks whenever it rains in Aba. So Okigwe Road is one of the popular and major roads we have here in Aba. So I'll be driving through Okigwe Road to show you how Okigwe Road looks whenever it rains in Aba. So stay tuned and enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share, like and comment on my videos. Let's keep going, guys. So guys, I hope you are seeing the look of Okigwe Road whenever it rains in Aba. So how do you feel? Do you think Aba is improving or not? Please let me know in the comment section. Let's keep watching, guys. This place you are seeing right now is Okigwe Road. It's a very popular road here in Aba. This road leads to so many other places around Aba. So let's keep going, guys. So guys, right now we are currently in Okigwe Junction. This is Okigwe Junction. So we'll be heading to Fox Road. This place we are right now is called Okigwe Junction. And right now we'll be heading to Fox Road. You are going to see the look of Fox Road whenever it rains in Aba. This Fox Road is also a very popular road here in Aba. It leads to so many places. This is one of the roads that always have issues. This is one of the roads that always have problems like potholes and all the rest. This is one of the roads that always give Aba problem. Every year this road is being constructed, but I think they are not being constructed with good materials, because if it is being constructed with good and high quality materials, it will not be spoiling every year. So currently this is First Road Aba. I hope you can see how First Road looks whenever it rains in Aba. the road by my left leads to Ososo. So when you intend to go to Ososo, this is the road you follow by my left hand side. So we are still in First Road Aba. I hope you are seeing how First Road Aba looks. This is the look of First Road. This First Road is a very big business center in Aba where they sell floor tiles, they sell toilets and bathroom equipment, they sell all types of building equipment in this First Road. So I think this is the best place where you can buy your house equipment like floor tiles, marbles, all these plumbing equipment. This is the best place to get them in Aba, Abia State. So guys, I hope you can see this uncompleted 7-story building by my left hand side. This place is called 7 Deck. This 7 Deck has been in existence for so many years. Even before I was born, this 7 Deck has been built. And this road we are right now is called Umule Road. Currently, this is Umule Road. I hope you can see the look of Umule Road whenever it rains in Aba. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope you've seen how some of the major roads in Aba looks whenever it rains in Aba. I couldn't film everywhere in Aba, and the video will be so long, so many people wouldn't enjoy watching a very long video. So I stopped here, and these are some of the major roads we have in Aba. I hope you see how it looks whenever it rains in Aba. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be updated. Please comment on this video. Tell me what you think about this video. Like and share this video. I love you all, guys. It's still your humble boy, Victory on top.